Hello students, welcome in computer science class. In this video, we are going to start new chapter in paper 1 data structure. Now in this chapter, what is data structure? What are the various types of data structure? What are the various algorithms which used to deal with the data structure? In these concepts are learned in this data structure chapter. This is the second chapter in paper 1. Now see, before that, what is data structure? Before that, we learn basic terms necessary to that data structure. Now see one by one. First term is what is data. In data structure, what is the mean by data? Data is a collection of information. Data is a collection of information, collection of values, simple values. It can be numeric, it can be alphanumeric, alphabetic. It is called as data. So when we store the data in the computer, that data stored into the memory in some formats, in some fashions, in different fashions. Now see the various formats of data. Data can be divided into two types. First type is group atom and second type is elementary atom. These are the two types of data atoms. Mean data can be divided either group atom or either in elementary atom. Now what is group atom? Group atom means data divided into subatoms. Group atom means data can be divided into subatoms. For example, take the example for name. In name is divided into first name, middle name and last name, and date can be divided. Another example is date can be divided into day, month and year. So name or date is group atom data because it is divided into subatoms. And what is mean by elementary atom? Elementary atom means data cannot be divided into subatoms. For example, pin code. Pin code is unique. Pin code is not divided into subatom. Another example, take example phone number. Phone number is also unique. Unique means it is identification number. Pin code is unique number. Phone number is unique number. That number is not divided into subatoms. So it is called as elementary atom. It is also called as primary key. See here. First name, middle name, last name is subatoms of name, and date is day, month and year. These are subatoms of date. Understand? What is data? Data means collection of information, collection of values, collection of set of values. It may be numeric, alphanumeric, alphabetic. It is called as data. Data can be divided into two types: group atom, elementary atom. Group atom means data divided into subatoms, and elementary means data cannot be divided into subatoms. This is the difference between group atom and elementary atom. Now next term is entity. What is mean by entity? Entity may be living thing or non-living thing. For example, fan is entity, my hand is entity, table is entity, chair is entity, bed is entity. These are the entity. So it is also called as living or non-living thing. It is called as entity. Entity is something that has certain attributes or properties which may assign values. So values may be numeric or non-numeric. For example, see them. Take the data of employee. If employee data, then employee ID, e-name means employee name, address, phone number, department of that employee. These are the attributes, entities of that employee. Suppose take the one more example for student. If student is student, take the student, then roll number, student name or class, percentage, whatever. These are the attributes of students or entities of that student. See the example, one more example. Take the biodata. In biodata contains name, okay, then age, then sex and education. This name, age, sex and education, these are the attributes. And Sachin 20 male means actual attributes, actual data that field it is called as values. Understand? Means suppose take the example of employee. In employee ID, employee name, address, phone number, these are the attributes of that employee. Suppose take student, then student roll number, student name, class, percentage, these are the attributes of that student. So it is called as entity. Now next is field. What is mean by field? Every attribute is called nothing but a field. Means name, age, sex, these are fields. Field is a single, so it is called as single elementary unit of information that represents attributes of an entity. See in above example, take the biodata contains name, age, sex, education. These are the attributes. These are the fields. That values is called as field. Take the example of employee. In employee ID, employee name, age, these are the fields. That is single elementary unit of information. Means in this above example, suppose education B. B is a value of that education, means that is a single elementary unit. It is called as attribute of an entity. It is called as field. Now next is record. What is a record? Record means suppose to store the field. Record, what is the definition of record? Record means collection of field values, and field means collection of elementary data units. Single elementary unit, it is called as data field, sorry. Then in record, suppose I want to record so and so students. The record of the students, nothing but all the attributes of that student. For example, roll number, student name, class, these are the attributes of that record, and this is called as record. Record means collection of field values. And next term is file. File means collection of records. File means collection of records. See the example. Suppose here take roll number, name, address, class, these are the student attributes. Then in this example, first record is 1, name is Amit, then Pune, then class is 11. Second record is Sia, Mumbai, class is 12. Then in this example, what is field? Field means, what is field? Attribute of that data. Means Sia is a field. It is called as field. And what is a record? See, this is called as record. Understand? This complete is one record. In this example, how many records? 2 records in this example. Okay, means 1 Amit, Pune, 11. These are also one more record. Mumbai is field, single elementary unit. It is called as field. Understand what is field, what is record, what is file. These types of terms asked in board exam for 1 mark. What is record, what is field, what is file. Now what is the definition of data structure? Data structure. Now see the proper definition of data structure. Data structure is a way of organization of data or way of storing the data into the computer memory. Means different types of data you can store in computer memory. There are various categories of data structure. See, logical or mathematical model of the particular organization of data is called data structure. Means you can store the data in different way, in different organization, in different types of data you can store in the computer memory. It is called as data structure. Now various categories of data structure. See, there are two types of data structure: linear data structure, non-linear data structure. You know what is the meaning of linear and what is the meaning of non-linear. Linear means to store the data in consecutive memory location. What is linear? Linear data structure means to store the data in consecutive memory location. Consecutive memory location means one by one. Means what is the example of this linear? Continuously. You can store the data continuously. Not store the data. Suppose one here stored 1, then gap, then stored 2, then gap, then stored 10. Not like this. It is called, it is a non-linear data. But in linear data structure, always data stored in contiguously memory location. It is called as linear data structure. So what is the example of this linear data structure? For example, suppose you can use array. You know already, array means to store the data in consecutive memory location, means in contiguously. And what is linked list? In linked list, store the data in some different way. So in the brief, we will discussing about every type of data structure in later. Now next type is in non-linear. Non-linear means data stored in some specific means not a specific manner. It can store any type. Means in non-linear cannot be order. In this non-linear, order cannot be maintained. Means in above linear data structure, order is maintained, but in non-linear order cannot be maintained between data elements. Means you can store data in anywhere, in any fashion. For example, trees. See, trees, in trees, no, this is a hierarchical type of trees. So in these trees, in this data structure, trees means there are binary trees. So in trees you can store in non-linear data structure. This is a linear data structure and non-linear data structure are two types of data structure. Now next topic is data structure operation. There are some operation of associating with data structure which can be performing in any data structure. These questions are very important. This question asked in board exam for 3 marks. Explain the different types of data structure operations. In data structure operation, only 6 data structure operation. 6, see one by one. First one is traversing. What is mean by 6 data structure operation? First is traversing, second is searching, third is inserting, fourth is deleting, and fifth is sorting. These are the various operations in data structure. See one by one. What is traversing? Traversing means accessing your data structure at once times. Means visiting every element in array. Accessing each record or element exactly once time so that it can be processed. It is also called as visiting a record, visiting a element, every element in array. It is called as traversing. Means so, see the example array. In array, to store the data in contiguous memory location. So in array, at least one time, at once times data can be accessed. It is called as traversing. Next operation is searching. What is mean by searching? Finding a location of particular record in an array. Suppose in an array I have stored 20 elements and I want to find out the location of 10th element. Then searching operation is used in data structure. What is meaning by data structure? Finding the location of a record with given key values. Means whatever you want to, which record you want to location of that record, then give the specific number, then answer will be given using this searching operation. It is called as searching operation or searching algorithm. Finding the location of a record with given key values or finding the location of all records which satisfy one or more conditions. This is called as searching. Next is inserting. Insert means suppose you want to add new element into the array, then use inserting elements, inserting operations. Next is deleting. Removing the existence element from an array. Then deleting operation is used, means removing a record from a data structure or in an array. Next operation is sorting. Sorting, you know what is the meaning by sorting. Sorting means some specific manner. It may be ascending order or it may be descending order. Arranging the records in some order, may be ascending or descending. It may, that data may be alphanumeric order, numeric order. It is called as sorting. And last one is merging. Merge means combining. Merge means combining. In this, combining the records in two different sorted files into a single sorted file. It is called as merging. This is the sixth operation of data structure. First operation is traversing. Traversing means accessing your data structure at once, means visiting every element in an array. Second one, searching. Searching means finding a location of a particular record in an array. That time searching operation is used. Third one, inserting. Inserting means suppose new element add into an array, then inserting operation can be performed particular data structure. And then deleting. Deleting means removing the existence element from an array. Then deleting operation is used. Then sorting. Sorting means arranging records in some order, means maybe in ascending or descending order. And last one is merging. Merging means combining the record into different sorted files into a single sorted file. Now in next lecture, next video, we will see the control structures in data structures and algorithms. These operations depends on the different algorithms, mean traversing algorithm, searching algorithm, inserting algorithm, deleting algorithm, sorting algorithm, except merging. These are the algorithm in data structure. These algorithm and control structure we will see in next